So guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how we can calculate the multiplication of two numbers. But my input variables are very big guys. As you can see on the screen, these much big numbers. So with the help of normal integer type, long, float, these kind of things can't going to help. But with the help of big integers, we can calculate the multiplication of such a big numbers. So we are going to see how we can do that. So let me take an empty sequence here. Multiplication of numbers. So for that multiplication, I need two variables. I need to read it from the keyboard. So for that, I am using input dialog box. Input dialog box for the first one. Give the title as enter number 1 and save it in num1. And the same thing you can copy paste to the number 2, change the text to number 2 and result to num2. If you see this, the type is of generic value. Okay, now let me create three variables, one for each variable, another one is for the result. So click on the browse types here and enter big integer. Click OK. Same for the number 2. Number 2 and click on the browse types and enter big integers. Okay. Now try to find one more variable which is of result, browse types, big integers. Okay, now what we can do is, with the help of assign activity, we can initialize these big integers, right? How we can do that? With the help of big integer dot pass of num1, this will be number 1. The same thing for number 2 as well. Initialize the second big integer, big integers dot pass of number 2, this will be num2. Then take one more assign activity to store the result here, and this is a very important concept guys. Just give big integer dot multiply of number 1 comma number 2. Store this result into the result variable. Okay, save it, then display the result. Message box, this will be res.toString. right? Now let me run this board and see. I have this variables, right? So values in the screen, right? Let me try to copy paste it. Copy it, first one, enter here. Second one also, let me try to copy paste it and enter it here. Now you can see we got the results, such a big number, I don't want to pronounce it. So this is how we can calculate the multiplication of two numbers, such a big numbers, with the help of big integer concept guys. And do explore other tutorials in the playlist. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section so that I can help you more on this. Thank you for watching. Thank you.